Namaste and welcome back to the Digital Wisdom Podcast where your skill evolve, your clarity deepen and your work align with your purpose. I am your host Sunil Mishra, tech mentor, digital educator and believer in second innings. And today episode is very personal, episode number 5, from mid-level to mentor, career shift after age 35. If you are in your mid 30, 40 or even 50, still writing code, still chasing releases, but deep inside you are wondering, is there something more I am meant to do? Stay with me because second half of your career might just be your most powerful chapter yet. You have spent years in tech, built app, fixed bug, mentored juniors, and yet something feels stuck. You are not tired of tech, you are tired of repeating, of being just a resource, just another engineer in the queue. What if your true power isn't in the code you write, but in the wisdom you carry? This episode is for everyone who is asking, what is the next for me? How do I shift from doing to guiding? What most listeners feel. You might be 37 or 42 or 50. You have grown, but promotions are slow. You have led projects, but still feel unseen. And maybe you are thinking of mentoring, teaching, coaching, but you hesitate. Who am I to guide others? Will anyone even listen? Is it too late to reinvent myself? Let me tell you, if you have walked the path, you are qualified to light the way. And today I will show you how. So what is trend, shift and skill we need for that one? Fact number 1. Average age of tech mentor and coacher is rising, not falling. Experience is now more valuable than just raw skills. Fact number 2. More platforms are hiring industry mentors, career coach and technical trainers than ever before. Fact number 3. The demand for human guidance has increased in this AI-driven world. People want wisdom, not just data. So, what is top career shift after 35? Mid-level to mentor. So, path number 1, technical mentorship. So, this path is like guided junior conduct review. Example role like tech lead, internal trainer. Path number 2, entrepreneurship. So, here teach via courses, webinar. Example role online instructor, boot camp coach. Path number 3, freelance coaching. So one-to-one session, live tech coaching and example role like purpose coach, career mentor. Path number 4, fractional leadership. So here consult part-time for startup. And example role like fractional CTO, agile mentor. Path number 5, community leadership, grow a niche community or channel. So here example like your YouTuber, digital educator. What skill you need to cultivate? Communication and storytelling, framework design for teaching and coaching, platform building, LinkedIn, YouTube, cohort tool, empathy plus structure thinking, personal branding. Tech matters, but now how you are able to teach it with heart is your true asset. So many real world inspiration. Let me tell you about one software engineer, a 38-year-old backend engineer. He was tired of chasing bug fix at 2 a.m. He started mentoring fresher on weekend and posted on LinkedIn. Today, He ran his own boot camp even more and feel fulfilled, not just busy. And then there is one more software engineer. She is doing QA lead who turned her automation knowledge into a YouTube channel. It didn't explode, but she built trust, income and tribes, one video at a time. They didn't change career, they evolved role from executor to enabler. So what should be action plan for execution? So here your starter plan to shift from mid-level to mentor should be. So step number 1, list 3 things you have mastered over the year. Step number 2, teach one concept in a short video or link post this week. Step number 3, join a coaching platform like TopMate, Coach.me, Clarity.fm. Step number 4, offer one free session. Learn through service. Step number 5, reflect weekly, where am I helping other grow? You don't need thousands of followers. You need to show up with truth consistently. So let's recap. So what is summary of that podcast? The world needs mentor more than ever. You are not too old. You are just ready. You already have the value. Now is time to share it. So what is your action? Teach one thing, post one insight, offer one helping hand. That's where mentorship begins. Because the next generation isn't looking for perfection, they are looking for real story and real support. This is your time. अपने भीतर की आवाज सुनिए. Listen your inner voice. I am Sunil Misra and this was Digital Wisdom Podcast. DM me with your story. Share this episode with one friend over 35 and remember, wisdom share is purpose fulfilled. Until next time, learn, grow and align.